Welcome back to Pfister Farms, guys. Today we got a little bit of cleaning to do over there. Bale feeder and stuff. It's been raining a lot out here, so yeah, clean out this cow yard. And well, I finally did rearrange some gates in here for some cattle, the calves. So we were cramming them in here. I cleaned this all out, blocked it off, as you can see. Camera focusing a little bit. It's all blocked off, they can't go in there. So now I got them in this big pen where they can run around, jump around, put calf feed in that tub down there. I might have to grind some feed soon. I don't know yet. But we're just hauling some more manure today. There's always manure to haul here. There really ain't that much. It really ain't as bad as it was before I started hauling. I hauled like 3 loads out of, most of it. So down here we had the feeder wagon. Silo's working good. It's about 90 degrees. The next 10 days is supposed to be really hot. So hopefully we can go fishing on Sunday. So there won't be a video for sure coming out on Sunday. But I will have a 4th of July special for you guys. I will do one of them. I've locked the cows out of here. They're way up on that hill, having a good time in the grass. We haven't turned them out into that pasture yet. We're gonna let that grow a little bit. So well, let's move some gates and get to hauling some manure. See you guys when I have, I don't know, I'll see you guys again. So I think I'll have all the gates moved and stuff, and I might have the skid loader down here. See you then. Okay, we gotta do a startup on this here tractor. 1175 case. Some pretty reliable tractors, actually. Yeah, so you just start up on the first crank. She starts up like the 7110. Ready? What I like about this tractor. See, it runs good, and then here's one thing that's really weird. It's extremely weird. I think it has blade cylinders. So I'll walk around to this side, and that's the blow-by tube, and there's usually, there's a good amount of air coming out of there. You can see stuff coming out of there with my own eyeballs. Camera just can't see it. Yeah, this is solid running tractor. Very solid running tractor. It's a little messed up in the paint. That's beautiful. I want another one of that series. I'm going to get a 7130 or a 7140. And we're hauling manure with an H&S 310 manure spreader. That's 1175 case. And I think I just filled it up with fuel, just topped it off, did all that stuff. So see you guys down in the cow yard. Okay, we're back down here. I actually scraped everything here, over there. Someone overhid the steers. Don't really make that much of a mess, but we have a 310 spreader down here. 4635. I'm gonna try to take as minimal time as possible, so I don't think I'm gonna do a time lapse. So I'm gonna get her loaded. That flag up there. See you guys in a few. Finished up loading it, full load of manure. Well, honestly, just about 3/4, but you guys should see some of our beans. They're pretty nice and tall. Corn's down there. I might show you guys the corn. This tractor sounds pretty good. Because my father actually replaced that when we bought the tractor. I would like to buy another one of these tractors. I really like them. first gear and all that stuff, corn's actually starting to really get tall. It's got to be taller than the front tires, at least halfway up their rear tires. It's got to be up to my chest. Just loves the heat. Just got the heat and it just grew. Stuff is just giant. Maybe a foot, 2 foot tall, like knee high. As they say, knee high by the 4th of July. That's way over knee high. That's gotta be up to your chest at least. I don't know how about the planter right there though. It didn't plant very. I don't know, the planter had a hiccup. But I'm gonna go spread this loader. Changed my mind, guys. We're actually gonna spread this. I'm in a video while I spread it. Give her a little bit more throttle. Just spread another load, and then wow, this is how we spread them. We usually put it in this pit. That's just more of a divot in the ground. Where we used to put it down there, that's a swamp now. Now we're putting it right here, so it don't just sit in that cow yard and destroy stuff all summer long. Then they come back in the fall, if your crops are off, scoop it all up, throw it in there. We're gonna disc or chisel plow a hayfield this year, so I might spread it on there. I don't know yet. I don't think you are going to until the hay turns really bad on it, but yeah. Another thing about this tractor is it's impossible to put the PTO on slowly. It's either on, off, or on. It's got that lever on it. Now you pull up that, and then you put it down like that and start it, and then to stop you pull it up and press it back. It's kind of hard to put it smoothly in gear. So I think the tractor sounds pretty good myself. I like how it sounds. You guys are going to want to check out this channel I just found. It's called Turner Farms. Turner Farms, you all want to check out his channel. He's got like 400 subscribers. So if you've seen my videos, you might want to check out his. We're just spreading away here. Finish up spreading this, and I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, that project has been finished. Shut this door of this tractor real quick, but yeah, that's a load of manure hauled out of there. So yeah, so remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Well, thank you all for watching and supporting me on my farming adventure. And I think the next video is going to come out on the 4th of July, so that's going to be a 4th of July special. Yeah. Just remember, hit that subscribe button down there, hit that like button. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be the 4th of July. So see you guys there.